Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Layby. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and exploring how you can leverage it to make money online in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or just getting started, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you. Let's jump right in. One of the first ways to cash in on AI is by offering your skills as a freelance AI developer, data scientist, or machine learning engineer. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are buzzing with opportunities. Showcasing your expertise can land you exciting gigs and projects. Imagine creating content with the power of AI. Develop AI-generated articles, product descriptions, or even social media posts. This not only saves time, but also opens up a whole new avenue for content creators looking to make a mark. Take your ideas to the next level by creating AI-driven products or services. Whether it's a groundbreaking app or a tool that solves a specific problem, the possibilities are endless. Dive into the market and make your mark. Start a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to AI. Share your insights, discoveries, and tutorials. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Building a community around your passion can be both rewarding and profitable. As we wrap up today's exploration, remember that the world of AI is vast and ever-evolving. Find your niche, hone your skills, and embark on this exciting journey. The future is here and it's AI-powered. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on making money online and navigating the world of AI. Also, share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Now, let's go out there and make 2024 our year of AI success. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.